Shit, boys. Fucking snowed. RX-7 getting ready. The motor put in. Got the motor in pieces in here. We got the mad scientist getting ready to put together. Fernando C. Brand. If we win this race, it's all because of him, bud. Yes, sir.
Let's get started. All right, come over here.
Oh shit, brother.
Wow, we don't need them little cheap joints. You know why? I don't have the shit. Boom. We don't need none. None of that. We got fancy shit now. We won the lottery. We feeling like ourselves. We feeling ourselves now. Okay.
All right, Bubby.
All right, so let's do it. Crankshaft.
What's a crankshaft? Alright, for no minute.
What's big dog?
Dude,
big dog West. Big dog West.
It's fucking like 6 a.m., bud.
Where you going, Wes?
New Jersey, bud.
New Jersey. You gonna try to feel it say, ain't ya, baby? Ain't ya? Big dog West. We don't got that gas tank. 3 hours, be there in 10 minutes. Man, look at that crackhead. Man, there's a crackhead out there. Man, look at that crackhead. Oh, yeah. Look at that crackhead. Be there at 10, you huh? 3 hour drive. Not for me. We in Maryland, baby. From Southwest. Yes, sir. Boys, we made it to Disney. We're in Disney World. Where we at, baby? Where you at, Wes?
We're in Baltimore, bud.
Give me a sec. I'm oh, look. I got it, Wesley. That's sexy, dude. I like that.
That shit looks like Alaska.
Never been to Alaska.
What is this, Bubby?
It's the rigs where you going into work. Yeah, that's oil rigs. I don't know what this is.
I don't know what this is either, bud.
I thought I would see more of the bridge.
I thought I would too. It's a crazy ass bridge though, okay.
Yeah. Probably like they dig for something here.
Or like maybe it's some like coal shit, you know?
Yeah.
What's going on here, my boy?
It was bad timing, Wesley. Good thing we're on the YouTube. Anyways, we back on 995. 45 minutes out.
It's a big sign, Bubby.
Oh yeah, Wesley. We're becoming great at this YouTube shit. Oh, we're Jersey boys. We Jersey boys out here. 17 minutes out.
It's a big ass bridge, Bubby.
You remember the phone number, right?
No phone number. What river are we crossing?
Chesapeake Bay. I don't know.
The Delaware River, Bubby.
Wow, I learned about this in history class.
Really?
No. You're always like a little late on though. We in Jersey. 9 minutes out. I thought Jersey was gonna be nicer. Just woods. Oh, Wes.
You didn't record that. That would have been good content.
Hey, well, he was talking to my once, didn't he?
Fuck.
That's all good, but we got our sweet converter. One nice ass converter. Cheap fuck too. We going to Waffle House, ain't we, baby?
So,
We in Jersey. You think people think we're retarded?
maybe.
Alright, where we going, Wesley? We going to the Eagle Stadium. You going to Waffle House? You going to Waffle House?
Just got done eating Waffle House with my boy.
You're retarded. Oh my god, I'm so good. West paid the best. Oh my god, what's the best? Where you going, big wee? We're gonna make a little wee wee.
We're going to pick up some Hoosiers.
Some Hoosiers.
Some Hoosier daddy.
On the way to fucking Maryland, boys. Featuring a Jeep.
Chill on the dirty ass way. The whip is fucking cooked. I got the flash on, brother.
Well, I know I got the flash on.
There's DC, buddy.
Wow. Look at these seats, Wesley. Are you excited, bud?
Let's go to the MGM.
Where's AB?
The MGM's up here. We're in Maryland, buddy.
Yeah.
See the MGM?
Yeah. 30 more minutes until we get ourselves some Hoosiers.
Some Hoosier daddy.
Woo! How fast you gonna go into RX-7, Wes?
Hopefully like a 5 something.
Yeah. I'm thinking 3.9 with the twin. Where's the Wes?
Shit, I think it's over here. Shit, we're gonna be waiting a while, bro.
Boys, we have arrived. Wes is shitting himself right now as we speak. You got
I got locked down right now.
Wes locked in. Scared scared shitless. I see the man, Wes.
This guy's going.
Yo, you see his Mustang?
Alright,
How you doing, boss? You mind being recorded for YouTube? What? You mind being recorded for YouTube? Yeah, you can. Alright.
Good. 2 hours.
I think when I saw you in Manassas.
Yeah.
So I had him on my car. I ran 2 races with him. Put another 7 on. So, and made a couple driveway hits with him. So.
What you working on here?
Well, that's my buddy's truck. Little Turbo LS Colorado deal.
Does it got the turbos in the bed?
Yeah. It had twins. Just redoing some stuff.
That's what's up. It's a cool little truck.
Yeah, he just ran it all over the place, ready to race it.
We're building an RX-7 to go to one of the woods.
Oh shit. I don't know if I take that Vega with mine down there.
You said 150, right?
Yeah. I appreciate it. Need any more sets? I'll probably have a couple. I'll usually run about 10, 15 passes and yank them off.
Alright, sounds good. Thank you, man.
Oh, not a problem.